everyone, my name is Cherry. I'm a student at 청담. Today I will be talking about my favorite season. What is a season? I think a season is different weather. The worst season is summer because summer is very hot. It rains a lot, so it is hot. Spring we see pretty flowers. In a summer we swim. In a fall we make bookmark. In the winter we play on snow. But my favorite season is spring. Here are some reasons why. Spring is the best season because the flowers are pretty. I like flowers. An example that all Koreans will understand is cherry blossom tree and canary, a yellow flower, is my favorite spring flower. I go to my grandma's house in the spring. My grandma's apartment has a small park and has cherry blossom tree and canary everywhere. My second reason is that spring has the best weather. It is not too hot and not too cold. For example, summer is too hot and winter is very cold. But spring is not too hot and not too cold. So my favorite season is spring. I want to the park in summer. I want to go my home because it is too hot. If go the park in winter, it is very cold. I didn't like it. To go in spring because it is good weather. In conclusion, my first reason is that spring is the best was because the flowers are pretty. The second reason is they are pretty. Spring has the best weather. Thank you for listening to my presentation.